Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the continued part of subject-verb agreement rules. As in my last video, I have already discussed a few rules regarding subject-verb agreement. So we are going to see a few more rules which are important in error supporting. So without any delay, let's start. So here comes the first rule, and the rule says if the subject of a sentence is everybody, nobody, anybody, someone, no one, everyone, anyone, everything, something, etc. Means if we are using these words to show or we are using these words for any subject, then the verb is always singular. Means you have to just check that what we are using as a subject. For example, see, everybody knows that the sun is a star. Here, try to understand the reason why we are using a singular verb. See, from everybody I mean that every person, every single person. Means I am talking about a single subject. So I have to use a singular verb. So if the subject of a sentence is this kind of word, we have to use a singular verb. So everybody knows that the sun is a star is a correct sentence. And the next rule for today says, rule number 2 is, if the subject of a sentence is words like many, both, few, a few, etc., then the verb is always plural. Because see, many is representing more than one. It is a plural. We use many to show plural. And both means two. That is again more than one. So we have to use a plural verb. See the example here. Many were invited by the Ambanis. Here, many is representing that Ambanis have invited a lot of people. Okay, so I have to use a plural verb to make the sentence balanced, that with a plural subject there's a plural verb. Next is both are beautiful and intelligent. Here I am talking about two girls. See, by both I mean maybe girl, of course, because I have used beautiful. Both means there are two girls I am talking about. Right? So I have to use are. Are is a plural verb. So I say both are beautiful and intelligent. Here I am talking about two girls. And moving on to the next rule. Rule number 3 says, after words like both of, a few of, or many of, etc., after such words, the noun or pronoun is a plural, which is followed by, of course, a plural verb. Means if you see words like both of, a few of, or many of, you have to take care that the pronoun will be, or noun after this will be a plural one. So, example says, many of the visitors are American. See, here I am talking about not only a single visitor, I am talking about one or more than one. Like there can be 2, 3, 4 and so many numbers. So, many of the visitors are American. Visitor, we know it's a plural. So, I have to use a plural verb, and are is a plural verb. So, you have to take care that after such words like both of, a few of, or many of, etc., we have to use a plural verb, because these words always follow a plural noun or pronoun. After this, a very similar rule number 4 for today is, after words like a number of, a large number, etc., the noun is a plural because they are representing a plural noun or pronoun, which is of course will be followed by a plural verb. So, example says, a number of students have taken the test, because students we are talking about, and students means we are talking about plural, that is a plural noun. So, I have to use have here, that is a plural verb. And the next rule and the last rule for today is, after words like some of, all of, enough, most of, a great deal of, and lots of, means all such words, if there is a countable noun, it is always a plural one. And also the verb is plural. See the example and try to understand this. See, lots of actors. Of course, actors is a plural noun. Were, again a plural verb. Present there. Means when we are using these words like lots of here, in this case of example, we mean more than one. Okay, by this I mean there are plural noun. Maybe they are countable, but they are more in number than one. So we are using plural noun and plural verb. So guys, I have covered almost all the important rules which are useful and which follows the subject verb agreement. I hope you understand this and try to practice more and more type of such type of questions so that you get better in spotting the error. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.